Hello guys, good day. So this is Paul, and this is a video tutorial of how to create an EON PH account. Okay, so let's start. First step is, if you're using an Apple or an Android, just go to your App Store or Play Store. Look for the EON Bank PH. Here. Okay. You download it. And also make sure that your device security is also set. For most Androids that has a fingerprint scanner, better set up your fingerprint. Also set up your PIN numbers. Slide lock is not recommended or will not. The EON PH app will not work. You need to have either a PIN or a fingerprint ready for your device security. I'm just waiting for the app to be downloaded. It's still downloading though. Oh, it's done. I think it's done. Okay. So the next step, you would click on allow on everything for the app. You allow for the contacts, the security, the location, the gallery, everything. So you click on sign in. It would ask allow EON PH Bank to access your location. Always allow, or only while using the app. Let's try always allow. Okay, at this point it would ask you to create an account or sign in if you have already one. So since we don't have one, I'll click on sign up. Then you'll have three options. You have create a new EON account, use your existing debit or credit card, and if you have a Union Bank and you don't have a login yet, and this is the option. So since I don't have these two, so I'm gonna get a new account. Click this. This app always crashes, so what you need to have in creating an account for EON, you need to have a lot of patience. You need to have a lot of patience under your sleeve to be able to create an account for EON. So again, we're back to the EON relationship agreement. You just scroll down, click on continue, wait for a couple of seconds, click on agree, click on access the camera. Okay. It would require you to take a selfie since this is not my account. Okay, I'll have my wife take her selfie. And that's done. Click on continue. It would have an EON account terms of use. You scroll down to the bottom, click on continue, select agree or click on agree. Now it would ask, at this point it would ask what type of ID would you like to present. Okay, you just choose one. You have SSS, driver's license, GSIS ID, passport, PhilHealth, PRC ID, school ID. So let's go with PhilHealth ID. Okay. And then you enter the ID number on the ID number field, which is the second box. Okay. This is without dash, just the numbers. 9 7. Okay. Once you're done entering the number, click on continue. Then you need to scan or capture your ID. Okay, then take a picture of it. It's a front and back picture, so okay. Also at this point you need to have a very steady set of hands. Okay. Because when you click capture, it would take about at least 3 seconds before it really captures, so you need to have a steady set of hands. Okay. At this point, it would ask to create a user ID and a password. Okay. A tip on creating a password: you need to have at least one uppercase letter, numbers, and one special character. Minimum 8, of course. Right, after creating a password, it would now ask personal information for your account. Oops. Damn. Sorry about that. I'm checking my email, so crooked screen. Damn, this phone holder, it won't hold. A phone holder that does not hold. Damn. Okay. Right. So I'm putting in the information needed. It doesn't require you to put in your secondary name, so just put in your first name. And your last name, of course. Then put in your gender, your civil status, single, married. Then your mother's full maiden name. Your nationality, your date of birth, your place of birth, in your address. I'm almost done putting in my wife's information in the app. And then you're gonna put in your mobile number. Right. What's your number? Yeah. Hmm? You ask for your email, so I'm gonna put in her personal email, not the Cyberbacker email. If you want to do that, you can do so. Email, personal email. Alright, source of funds. You have a lot of options: allowance, inheritance, commissions, loan, pension remittance, salary. Choose salary. And then for the employment status, should be self-employed, online, freelancer. Nature of work should be administrative, human resources. No other else. And then you click on continue. It would say here, choose a key in security code in every time you confirm a transaction using your EON account. So basically it's like a PIN for you to complete a transaction. Now set up. Let's say 6 numeric characters. I'm going to put that in for an added protection for our transaction. Okay, the next window would ask a couple of security questions, like would you allow access through browser? Yes, you allow it. Receive alerts and notifications regarding with the account? Yes, through email and SMS. And the third one, it says here, block access to the app if your device setting is off, or if your security on the phone is off, your password, or if your fingerprint touch is off. It would say block access, but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to turn that off and click on continue, because I want to access my app even though my phone doesn't have any fingerprint ID recognition setup. So it's loading. Alright, so it's done. Okay, it's done, and I have already received an SMS confirmation of the account. Okay, all we have to do is go to the main menu. So we are going to upgrade the account, right? So once on your main menu here, wait, let me go back to the main menu. From the last window, just click on the 3 line on the upper right corner of the app, and it would go here to the main menu where you can see your picture, your name, and your account info. You click on this one, account info, right? Okay, and this is the window which you can see your balance and where you can upgrade your account. You have two ways of upgrading your account. You see here on the first option, account level, and it says it's EON starter, and then this is the red circle that gab this gab is referring to upgrade your account. Or you can also do this. You can click on a 3 button here in the upper left or upper right, sorry, and you have the first option, upgrade your account. First option, upgrade your account. You click on that and it would ask you, are you sure you want to upgrade your EON Start or EON Lite? Just click on OK. Once you click on OK, it would say we are already working for the upgrade request. So that's that. Now we're done setting up the EON PH account. If you have any questions, please type it in the comment box down below. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the share button. Okay, this is Paul from Cyberbacker PH. See you around. Bye.